You know it's going to be a great day when American Express sends you an overnight FedEx envelope. Let's see what's inside. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Then you can journey on down to the description area where you'll find some links to apply for a new credit card and to get 2 free stocks from Webull when you open a brand new account and deposit $100 onto your brokerage account. I love to know which 2 free stocks you get. Now my birthday may not be until June, but when I receive a package like this in April, my birthday comes early. Now in case you missed it, I got approved for the American Express Business Platinum Card and I'm very excited to open it. In fact, here's the envelope. And if you see right here, it says up here in the top right that the ship date was the 30th of March, 2021, and that it was shipped overnight to arrive on March 31st, 2021, basically 24 hours later. And I did not request that either. So American Express does a phenomenal job of getting their cards into your hands very quickly when you get approved for a more premium card product. And that is awesome because the spend requirement to get your welcome bonus usually is like a 3 or 6 month time frame depending on the card, and that clock begins as soon as you get approved for the card, not when you receive it. So the sooner you get the card, the sooner you can start working on that sign up bonus and capture more of your spend. And now it's time for the main event. Oh yes. Not only was the card rushed overnight, but it also comes in, my address is on here too. There we go. A really nice box. Let me cover that up with some sticky notes. Interesting. So the envelope itself came from Plantation, Florida, if you can see the address right there. And then the actual physical box inside the envelope is labeled as Omaha, Nebraska. I wonder if American Express is hiding something. Anyway, who knows? I'm really excited about this. Here's the box itself. It actually has like a velvety texture on it. It's kind of smooth and feels like a thick matte velvet finish. It's kind of nice. So on the back side, it's got this tear strip again. So here goes round 2. There we go. And we have liftoff in 3, 2, 1. There it is, with a nice little fancy ribbon to pull out and lift up to view the other documentations underneath. It says, welcome to Business Platinum. Unlock premium benefits for your work and life. So there's an up-close view of it right there for you. I'll also take it out and give you another view in just a moment. Then underneath are a whole bunch of cards that go over some of the benefits of the card. So this one is encouraging me to unlock my potential. And then upon opening, it goes over confirming your card online, and then also some benefits that you have to apply for or enroll in order to activate them. So we'll go over that in just a moment. Then we've got some of the individual rewards and benefits of this card, including earning 1.5 points per dollar on purchases of $5,000 or more, earning 5 points per dollar on airfare and prepaid hotels, the Global Lounge Collection giving you access to a bunch of different airport lounge networks worldwide, the Find Hotels and Resorts program to get additional perks and VIP treatment at select properties around the world when you book through the portal, a $200 airline fee credit to reimburse you for incidental airline charges, and upgrade your tech, uplift your business, which refers to the $200 statement credits for Dell purchases. Now, if you decide to get this card for yourself, remember that there are some benefits here that you want to enroll in. Some of the ones that I mentioned here are to enroll in Priority Pass, select one qualifying airline for your $200 airline fee credit, and 35% airline bonus, which is another perk. Then you want to apply for the fee credit for global entry or TSA PreCheck, and also to add employee cards. And there may be some additional benefits as well. So again, if you get this card, make sure that you add it to your online account. Then go to the benefits tab there at the very top, and you'll be able to see which perks and benefits require enrollment. And as you can expect on this channel, I'll eventually be doing a full in-depth review of this card, and I'll show you how to do all of this with actual visuals on the screen. So for now, that was just a mini review going over some of the highlighted benefits of this card. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go remove the sticker from the back of the card and do some more visuals for you and comparisons to the old Business Platinum Card and the Personal Platinum Card. I'll be right back. I'm back. And now I've got 2 Business Platinum Cards. So I'll begin by showing you the older design of the Business Platinum Card. It was like a glitter effect, kind of cool looking. The Centurion logo was here in the top left. It said American Express Business Platinum. So that was the front of the card. Here is the reverse. This is back when Amex had their Open program, which was a business program that gave you exclusive business perks and benefits. And then they released the new version right here, which is a totally new design. The Centurion logo is now in the front. It's a much thinner border as well. I'll show you them side by side in just a moment. Then we've got the reverse of the card. The Open program has been discontinued, by the way. And here are both cards side by side, so you can see the differences from what it used to be versus today. And then flipping over to the rear of the cards too. And then the side edges as well. I'm not sure if the light will catch this, but this one over here, the new card, is a metal card. This one over here was plastic. And third, we also have the personal platinum card right here. So here's the front of that one. It says platinum on the front. And then on the rear, this is what it looks like there. Now, what you may notice is that the border of the business platinum card here, the new version, is much thinner. It's gotten like a sleeker design versus the personal platinum. So they've thinned that up a little bit. And I believe the personal platinum cards coming out will have this new design. So they've removed the word platinum. Yep. Had to verify. So the word platinum will be gone going forward. The border will be a bit thinner, so it looks kind of, I guess, more modern and more sleek. And in case you saw some blemishes on my brand new card, yes, it's true. American Express does have a little bit of a quality control issue with the printing of the cards. I believe they do work with a third party to make and print their cards for them. So sometimes when these are being printed or pressed or whatever metal machinery it goes through, sometimes you can get like cloud marks, scratches, dings, chips. So the personal platinum here on the left is much, much cleaner. Again, I'm not sure how well the light is catching this, but yes, the Biz card does have quite a few blemishes if they do show up there. I have gotten some cards from Amex in the past that are in really bad shape, and I wanted a replacement because they look like they've been used for like 10 years before I even got it. Fortunately though, that process is very simple. You can go online to your account and request a replacement card due to being damaged, or chat with one of their reps online, or simply call the number on the back of your card and they will issue a replacement without a problem. And because you're watching an unboxing video on this channel, that means you know what comes next. We gotta do some drop tests and weight comparisons. And in case you weren't aware, bathtubs work best. And now for the weight comparison. We'll start with the old business platinum card here, which was plastic, 5 grams. The newer metal business platinum card, 18 grams. And the metal personal platinum card, also 18 grams. And here's a nice up-close view of all the cards for you, going from personal to business to business. So there you have it, the full unboxing of the American Express Business Platinum Card. I hope you all enjoyed that, and also the comparison between the old version, the current version, and the personal version of the cards. Amex does like to update their designs from time to time, so it's kind of cool to see the evolution of their cards. And again, if you'd like to watch me apply for the Business Platinum Card and go through the application process, which by the way was a very unique application, unlike any of my other Watch Me Apply videos that I've done before. So if you want to see that, check out the video over here. That's just a screenshot, of course, but I will put a direct link to the video down below in the description that you can click on and go watch the video. And in case you happen to be curious what my credit score is and all the underlying factors like how many inquiries I had, how long my credit history was, and all those other factors that you might want to know about, I reveal all of them in that Watch Me Apply video. So go check it out. Also be on the lookout for a full in-depth video review of the American Express Business Platinum Card coming soon, where I'll go over all the perks, benefits, features, how you earn and redeem points, and a whole lot more. So that way, in case you're considering applying for the card yourself, you'll have a much better idea if it'll be a good fit for you or not. All that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit or at least entertain others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Then go check out the links down below in the description area to apply for a new credit card and to get 2 free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit $100 onto your brokerage account. I'd love to know which 2 free stocks you get. Lastly, if there are any American Express cards on your radar right now that you really are looking forward to applying for very soon, let me know down below in the comments which one you want the most next. Thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value and a little bit of entertainment along the way. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.